Hey there, are you looking to level up your fitness game without having to leave the comfort of your own home? Well, have I got something exciting to share with you today. Introducing the Merach exercise bike, the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to get their sweat on and crush their fitness goals without breaking the bank. This stationary bike is perfect for beginners and seasoned cyclists alike, with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, so you can pedal your way to a healthier you without worrying about stability. Plus, the low-noise design means you can cycle your heart out without disturbing anyone else in your household. No more excuses to skip your workout. But wait, there's more. The Merach exercise bike comes equipped with an exclusive app that takes your workouts to the next level. With access to a range of fitness courses designed to help you reach your weight loss goals, you'll never have to worry about getting bored with your routine again. And with the built-in tablet mount, you can follow along with your favorite trainers and track your progress with ease. So, how can you make the most of your Merach exercise bike? Whether you're looking to torch calories, improve your cardiovascular health, or just break a sweat, this bike has got you covered. Simply hop on, adjust the resistance to your liking, and start pedaling away. And with the easy-to-read display, you can track your time, distance, speed, and calories burned in real time, making it easier than ever to stay motivated and on track. Now, you might be wondering how the Merach exercise bike stacks up against the competition. Well, let me tell you, this bike is a game changer. With its sturdy construction, comfortable seat, and smooth ride, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better value for your money. And with the added bonus of the exclusive app and fitness courses, you'll be well on your way to reaching your fitness goals in no time. But don't just take my word for it, let me share a few tips and real-life usage scenarios from satisfied customers. Many users have found that incorporating interval training into their routine has helped them see impressive results in a short amount of time. And with the ability to easily adjust the resistance levels, you can tailor your workout to your fitness level and goals, making it a truly customizable experience. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to pricey gym memberships and hello to the convenience of the Merach exercise bike. With its sleek design, innovative features, and unbeatable value, this bike is sure to become your new favorite workout buddy. So go ahead, click that add to cart button and start your fitness journey today. Your body will thank you.